All right, guys, we're currently in central Milan. We're gonna head over to the hotel. Check out the condition of these cars. It looks like, oh my God. A lot of these cars have been keyed, dented up, smashed up. Every single car on the street where our Airbnb is, I mean, just look. It's just everywhere. Anyways, every single car on the street has some sort of damage, so we actually parked ours in some sort of underground garage, and it's 20 euros a day. Anyways, we got a pretty big day ahead of us. I mean, just, my goodness. Every single car in Milan is just absolutely fucked, dude. Like, if you think I was joking, the repair shops here in Milan, or at least in central Milan, are having a fucking field day over here. Anyways, parked our car across, and it's around 20 euros a night. So the kid there at the other end that knows what a Pagani is, they got a police escort here. Nice. Look at this 768 there. All right, here we go. Give a little rev. Check out this face on the line up there. What the heck? Oh my God. Sorry, I'll focus back on the cars, guys. I apologize. Ooh, an SV has joined the crew. That's a sick color. All right. There you go. Well, we just got back in the X3 and the cars have all U-turned. I thought there was a stop up there, but I guess not. So you guys seen these cars driving around slowly enough, so I'm just gonna end the clip here. Bye. The BG plates, it's either Belgium or Bulgaria. It's a Louis Vuitton wrapped. Is that a smart car?
Yeah, just get a Supreme stick.
Oh shit, now we're rolling, yeah. These guys next to me are like, what the fuck are you filming? Hello. We're currently in central Milan. This place is called Loop. There seems to be some sort of festival here at the castle, and the Pagani Raduno has just rolled through here, guys. So there's a man just chilling on the fucking, just taking a nap. Oh my God. All right, for some bizarre reason, the Raduno has decided to stop by this castle with a bunch of people here. Check this out. It's gonna be a fucking absolute chaos. There's like a sort of music festival happening over here as well, so it's gonna be pretty crazy. All right, guys, we're gonna get right into the thick of the fucking action here, guys. Check out this crowd. The cars are all the way up there. There we go, we got the 8 there. Ooh, he's revving. Naughty boy. It's got a pretty excellent echo going here at the Rochetta Square. It's getting quite hectic here in the square, just parking all the cars. No security to be had or seen here, so check out that limo tint, 5% all around. Holy shit, and we got the Uno. Oh yeah, there's a man holding a dolphin right there as well. Good Lord. And we got police escort, nice. There's a massive crowd right around the 768 there. Holy shit, this place is getting packed. Putting it back on the top, creating quite the scene here, guys. And, wait for it, what a fantastic dog spot, yes. The CLK GTR would have been perfect here, but he decided to head home and just park and chill, I guess. So, there you guys have it. Craziness here at the Rochetta Square at some sort of castle in the middle of Milan. So, the Zonda LM rolling through here, guys. Surprise guest, here we go. Zonda LM making a last-minute appearance, all dusty from it was on another rally, wasn't it? Dude, that's a match made in heaven, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. My heart just stopped. Fucking amazing. Dude, that's perfect. Dude, that's absolutely perfect. Yeah. All right, guys, while I was editing my video, everyone else went to the Maranello Ferrari Museum, and a bunch of tourists were just opening the door to what, the 275?
Yeah, the GTB one.
The GTB, and these look at these two white people, they're like astounded, absolutely like, what the fuck is going on? Did you say the alarm went off when they opened the
No,
car?
there wasn't any alarm, but like the
250, the alarm.
Oh, they opened the 250 as well?
Yeah.
They're just walking around and then just like opening everything up. And then the staff just tell him, if you keep like opening the door, we're just gonna have to ask you to leave.
This is a, you can sit in one of the cars, and apparently when you get the photo taken, a part of the car is cut off.
It's like,
that's what you're paying, guys.
compared to Alfa, like Alfa Museum.
You can't even compare this to the Alfa Romeo Museum. It's embarrassing.
The lighting is shit. Shame on you, bro.
Alright guys, we're in a very special garage here, courtesy of Genio. We're gonna link his Instagram right up here, but check out this GT2 RS in this color scheme and his Bentley as well. Holy smokes. And of course the restored F40. Original color was in red, but it had only 5,000 kilometers before he started the restoration project and turned it green. And of course we got the roof right here. This is the ultimate man cave. Classy man cave, mind you. So we got the Lancia Delta Integrale right next to the infamous CLK GTR that crashed the Pagani Raduno just a few days ago. And of course this beautiful Lancia Delta S4. Bam. Got the AA ingrained on the tiling on the garage here, guys. Pretty insane. Of course, it's the CLK GTR in question that crashed the Pagani Raduno, so to speak. Driving like an absolute boss, man. No man caves complete without the 1/8 amalgam scale, your P1. Got the 143 scale and the liveries of the race cars he's raced. 118 scale, and of course he got the trophies. Got this one-off special project Bentley commissioned nearly 20 plus years ago. I imagine the customer trying to convince Bentley Motors to do this one-off project. These days, not so hard. Throw a little money around, you're good. But 20 years ago, man, tough sell to Bentley for sure. Of course, hollowed out, no lights here on either side. And you have the exposed grille with the fans. Pretty insane here, guys.
Which was the tailor-made department of Bentley in 1996.
Back in the days.
Like now, it's easy to see fancy things, but imagine 20 years ago, and it's all factory made. And it was the first time they painted the badge, not in red or not in black. All of them used to be red and black. And you want to know the name of this green? It's Milano green.
Milano green.
Two lights and put the green. And I mean, what do you mean remove the lights and put the grills?
Dude, forget red F40s. This green F40 is absolutely stunning. You don't see this every day. This car was bought brand new, almost 5,000 kilometers, and then was sent for restoration. And the paint was redone and everything. So, holy smokes. It is one sharp looking F40. And definitely stands out from the crowd. So, got the GT2 RS here in a similar green. Wow. Check out this toy car. It's made out of carbon fiber. Crap. That's amazing. Oh, here we go. Right next to CLK GTR is his pet project, the passion project for Automobili Amos. That's his brand. Make sure to check out his Instagram right over here, guys. He's going to take 20 of these Lancia Deltas, and he's going to retrofit them, make them cooler, what have you. So that is the plan. We hope that does really well and is successful, so we'll see that in the near future. This is his garage, his collection. He's very focused on this Delta project. So, that being said, we're gonna probably head out pretty soon.
We're in no rush, guys.
No, we are in absolutely no rush.
Look at the fucking road. It's like
so flooded
already. Raduno.
Can you imagine a Raduno right now? They'll be absolutely fucked.
No, it would be fun though.
Yeah, all the cars just break down.
Whoa.
Ooh, lightning. Well, we just visited Automobili Amos' garage. Excellent, 10 out of 10. Definitely a nice guy. Make sure to check out his Instagram. I'll link it up right up here, guys. Madman and the CLK GTR, baby. Drop the beat. Alright guys, it's come to the point where I'm filming a goddamn McLaren 720S because we can't seem to catch any Paganis on the road. We're currently still in central Milan, creeping around. The city is a very contrasting city. It's actually very beautiful and really shitty at the same time. Shit. Don't worry guys, I'll show you what I'm talking about in a few seconds, so give me a second. What is with all the graffiti here in central Milan? Oh, and by the way, how come there are no lane markers either? Are there any lane markers here? Is it 1 or 2 lanes?
2 lanes.
Nobody knows.
3 lanes.
I mean, we've seen 3 people in 3 different lanes. because there are no lane markers here, but All right, guys, Exhibit B. We got cobblestone road, no road markings. How the hell are you supposed to drive a goddamn Pagani on these type of roads? Absolutely atrocious. Check this out, someone just parked on the side of the goddamn sidewalk. Unbelievable. No one signals here, which is fine because I'm American and I don't really signal either. But there's tram tracks, there's cobblestone. It's just a hot mess, guys. I don't know. Driving in central Milan is an outright and utter disaster. All right, guys, I'm not even exaggerating. This is how bumpy the roads are, and the Paganis have to go down this nonsense. We're in an SUV. Imagine doing this in a Huayra or a Zonda. Like, Aaron, what the fuck are you doing? It's not that bumpy, goddammit.
Tell them to jump in the iPod.